Hello, my name is Robert Hollis. I hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. And this short video is geared to say exactly who we are, what we do, and what makes us unique and different in this market. Now, I'm going to go to the company website. My Daily Choice is 8 years old. They've done a little over a $500 million. All this is documented in the back of the website. And I want to show you really quickly on how to create a free affiliate account, get a back office, just like I'm going to share with you, and also the mobile app. Plus, all the videos and training and marketing system is all for free for you to be able to get a paycheck to you and your family next Thursday. Now, before that, I just have to handle a couple of legal things. Right here is the corporation, it's called the income disclosure statement. And it just says the earning disclosure. There are no guarantees regarding on the income of My Daily Choice opportunity. Earning levels for independent affiliates are example and should not be construed as typical or average. For an average MDC affiliate earnings, please view the income and disclosure statement on the MDC website. Now, I showed you the MDC website, so immediately what we're going to do is just scroll down. You see all the endorsements that we have from celebrities, all our products. We have over 1,000 products, and I'll touch a little bit on those in a minute, like I think 8 or 10 brands. But this is the income disclosure statement. And what I want to tell you off the bat before I show you my income, again, just an example, is a lot of people will look at an income disclosure statement and it's just a bunch of numbers, but basically what it's telling you is what average people do, what below average people do, and then more importantly, what above average people do. So I've been doing this industry for 36 years and been free, totally free, never worked for anybody for 36 years. And I can show you how to do that as well. So let's go directly into the documentation. I'm going to take you directly into my online banking. Now, why would I do that? I would do that only for one reason. I'm not hiding anything. So I'm going to click in here, sign in, and exactly what I'm doing. And what I'm going to do is really quickly show you deposits, and then I'm going to go directly into the My Daily Choice back office so you can see that. So I'm going to click on all here, go to additional filters, go deposits, and then click submit. And so what you're going to see here is, just some paydays. But if you look at the December pay, it's a little over $111,401. Now, that's not counting the money that I get from my YouTube channel. But I just want you guys to see, can you imagine making over $100,000 a month? And again, the reason I do that is because I have over 34,000 people that are responsible for my income. So now we're going to go directly into the MDC back office here. And right away, I went to earnings. You can see here that Terry and I, in 4 years, 9 months, has made over $4.2 million. In the last 30 days, a little over 97,000. And, we're very blessed to get paid as a super affiliate. And when you look at some of these incomes, it's just like, my God, it's just like, I want to tell you that you can do this as well. So I'm not going to get off track. I'm going to get right to the point. So what the company allows us to do is basically you can become an affiliate for free. So now this is how easy it is to create a free account. You can go right here to join, and right here is on how to become a free affiliate. You can click on here, fill in your information. Ownership name is basically your personal name, unless you have a corporation, and you can change this at any time. Click I understand and enroll. All right, here you can see that we have just a little over 34,000 people that are responsible for our income. And again, that's pretty amazing. So the next step I want to share with you is exactly what you can do. Now, once you become an affiliate with the company, you actually get replicated websites to send out. Now, the back office is free. The mobile app is free. It's all for free. So when someone shares this video with you, I want you to understand that you might have a lot of questions. But guess what? Just like Amazon, just like Facebook, just like YouTube, Zoom, TikTok, you all have to first go out and inquire and make a free account. So one of the things I want you to know is once you do, you get a unique username. Make sure you get the link from the person that actually shared this video with you. And so you can share it on social media. We have capture pages on the opportunity. We're looking for people that would like to make some extra money, but I'm also looking for people that want to make real money, 100,000, 200,000 or more. People that want to say, listen, I got used to sitting at home during the pandemic making money, and now I don't want to go work for peanuts. We'll show you word for word, step by step on how to do that. We also have product funnels directly on the products. We have over 1,000 products and I believe over 9 brands. They keep adding them all the time. But again, this is a short video for you to get back to the person and say, hey, listen, if people are making that kind of money, I want to create a free account. And that's what I want to do. So I don't know what products that you'll like. I don't know which products that you'll be focused on. But again, we're looking for people that need to make some extra money. And so the reason that this video was sent to you is to actually have you create a free account so you can look at everything and then make your decision. One of the first things that I always tell people that I believe that they should do is they should go down to tools. You see, that's all our training that we have there. Then marketing assets, you can click on English here for those of you that are English. And you want to go down here and actually watch the video on Josh and Jenna talking about the company. It's right here. It says My Daily Choice Opportunity. So you can click on that and watch that. And it's 23 minutes, but it's really going to give you the vision from the owners themselves, Josh and Jenna. Once you create a free account, there's a number of things that you could do. But our goal is maybe you look at the products and say, gee whiz, I'll try these products out. They seem amazing. And a 60-day money-back guarantee. Some of you will say, I need to make some extra money, and then we can share with you step by step through the trainings on how to do that. The reason that I want you to see both is so you feel comfortable with your affiliate link to refer us to other people that need to make extra money right now or want to have a life change big time. So now this is how easy it is to create a free account. You can go right here to join. And right here is on how to become a free affiliate. You can click on here, fill in your information. Ownership name is basically your personal name, unless you have a corporation, and you can change this at any time. Click I understand and enroll. Now you get the same back office as I do to check out all the information that you need. And all you got to do is ask questions directly to the person that sent this to you, and they can point, guide, and direct you to all the free training, all the groups that we have as far as communication, so we can make you comfortable and get you step by step on either referring us to people that need to make extra income. Again, we want to use your affiliate link so you get credit for it. No cost to check it out. No cost on a monthly basis to get paid. So I have people that are actually going to get a paycheck this next Thursday, tomorrow, and other Thursdays just for referring me people that need to make extra money or individuals that would like to try out our products. So I thank you very much for watching. Again, if I can do it, you can do it. There's over 20 people that got that plaque, of 7 figures. And again, other people are doing it. This is not on trial. So I thank you very much for watching this. Affiliate marketing is an incredible way of doing it. And Josh Wagle on MDC is not only taking affiliate market to the next level, but they've also taken it to maximum levels. So I appreciate you. If no one's giving you permission to succeed in life, let me be the first. Take care and hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now.